Today we're going to learn how to single crochet two together. So we're going to start by chaining one and turning our work so that we can start a new row. And now we're going to insert our hook into our first stitch, yarn over and pull our yarn through. And instead of yarning over, what we're going to do is insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull our yarn through. And now we're going to yarn over and pull the yarn through the 3 loops on our hook. And that is how you single crochet two together. So let's do that again. So we're going to put our hook into our stitch, yarn over, pull our yarn through, and then insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull the yarn through, and then we want to yarn over and pull our yarn through the 3 loops on our hook.